Now I finish the leaf. After I will make around the leaf. Start with 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 2 chain, and slip stitch in the same. Single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 2 chain, slip stitch in the same stitch, 1, 2, 2 chain, slip stitch, make like this 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and after single crochet and 2 slip stitch, 1 single crochet and 2 slip stitch, 1, and 2, and make 2 chain, 1, 2, and slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, 1, 2, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and make the same pattern like this side, 2 chain, 1, 2, slip stitch,